In front of me is Nothing Phone Free, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then hit Open under Google. Choose Google Password Manager and click on any password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock. Tap on this eye icon and this way make your password visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!